Okay, so rainwater harvesting. What do you mean by rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting.
Collecting the rainwater for further use.
Storage of rainwater.
Yes. Collecting the rainwater. Yes, for future use. Very good. So, see, we all know that water is a renewable resource, and it's get collected after rain comes. It get collected in various forms, in reservoirs, in lakes. It goes to ocean, seas, rivers, everywhere. Okay, but the place where we live, okay, we use mostly underground water for our daily purpose. Okay, na? We extract that underground water through borewells, pump sets and all, and we use for our drinking purpose and domestic use and all. Suppose the underground water level goes down, then we will face problem or not. So what happens? In order to maintain the table level of underground water, so it becomes very important to have a rainwater harvesting technique. You know, mostly suppose if in our areas we don't have that facility, 99% houses, what we see, the water of the roof falls either side of the house. गिरता है ना बारिश के पानी आते तो it fall or not, and goes on the road, somewhere it gets drained. So suppose if we construct the boundary on the terrace, and one side or any one side, they make the roof little sloping type. Okay, so one side what they do, any one of the corner, they keep the PVC pipe लगाते हैं. Through that pipe the water comes down. Okay, and down they have made a tank like system where they have kept sand, small stones and all. Okay, so water start get filtering through that, and then goes it down. So impurities will be collected there. Impurities don't go inside. Okay, and there what happened, underground level water increases. Okay, in Rajasthan under what they do, they makes big tank. जैसे घर बनाते हैं ना अंडर द बेसमेंट टाइप. ओके, दे मेक बिग टैंक्स एंड ऑल 5 feet 6 feet डीप, 4-5 meters लॉन्ग, 2-3 meters वाइड एंड ऑल दे मेक. एंड एक्सेप्ट द फर्स्ट रेन, जो फर्स्ट रेन का पानी रहता है उसको नहीं कलेक्ट करते, दैट इज इम्प्योर. बहुत सारी इम्प्योरिटीज रहती हैं उसमें, सो दे डोंट कलेक्ट, दे लीव इट. एंड इवन द टेरेस एंड ऑल सब गंदा रहता है, वो भी साफ हो जाता है. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, दे collect after the first rain, next rain comes, no, they collect that water and the water gets stored in that. They call it as tankas, okay, or pools or gills, like various names, local names are there. They collect that water and they will be using for their daily domestic purpose and all. They can filter that water and all, because we know this happens mostly in the districts of Rajasthan like Jaisalmer, Bikaner and all, which are very dry regions, very dry part of the state. So there it becomes every house they construct. But what happened later, the western part of Rajasthan and the eastern part of Rajasthan, after the construction of Indira Gandhi National Canal, these people, they started neglecting the storing the rainwater, because they were getting water through this canal for most of their work. Okay, but it was not from now, from ancient time in these regions, the system of rainwater harvesting. You know, Tamil Nadu is the state, first state in India, very important for GK. Tamil Nadu is the first state in India which has made compulsory and legal for each and every house of Tamil Nadu which is being constructed has to make rainwater harvesting technique. They have to follow the procedure of rainwater harvesting. Otherwise, that house construction will be termed as a illegal. Okay, so which is the state? Tamil Nadu. Next, yesterday I was discussing with you all, know that Cherrapunji is a place, and Maisanram, these two are the place in Meghalaya, around 55 kilometers far away from the capital city of Meghalaya, that is Shillong. Okay, but you know, it is just 55 kilometers, but in what happened in Meghalaya, in Shillong, every houses, okay, that is 95% of the houses, they will have rainwater harvesting technique. Now you will get doubt, sir, वहाँ तो बहुत बारिश होती है, फिर पानी हार्वेस्ट करने की क्या जरूरत? What is the use? Those are mountains and hilly regions. Then what will happen? Water gets drained, बह जाता है. Okay, so 15 to 25% of their daily domestic need of water they get or they use from the rainwater harvesting only. Okay, that is the importance of water in those areas. So these are nothing but various techniques